Next up, we have the force calculation. There are a couple of different ways that you go about doing this, and I want to review a few of them. The easiest way is actually to get the equation for force, and you can do that. Excuse you, why are you up here? Are you going to find the force equation? I don't know what he thinks he's doing. Anyway, the easiest thing for us to do is to teach the dog math. Is to actually rearrange it so you have an equation that says force is equal to. The easy way to do that is to cheat algebra. Shh, don't tell your algebra teachers. And what you can do is put it into this lovely little cheat circle. All right, so you are going to start off, and let me prove that this works, and I've done this with a couple of your classes already. If you have this format here for you to solve from, oops, is the glare too much? Yes, let's go like this so you can actually see. Gosh, I hope you, can you see that? I think you can read that. 6 times 2 is a way to solve for the number 12. And if you notice, you can just go back here and cover up, and it says 12 divided by 2, that's equal to 6. 12 divided by 6, that's equal to 2. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So what ends up happening is this is just a way for you not have to go through all the algebra in order to figure out what your force equation is going to be coming from this up here. So if we do the exact same thing and we plug it in, we're going to say pressure is equal to the force divided by the area. All right, and then you put your little multiplication sign in there. This makes it pretty easy because then you see you cover up your force and you are left with pressure times area. That is exactly the equation that we want to use in order to calculate your force. Please keep in mind also force is also called the weight. So very quickly going through the very first one. This is asking for weight, so we want to say that our force is equal to pressure times area. It has a base which is 3 square inches and exerts a pressure, so if you read carefully it will tell you, 21 pounds per square inch. Alright, so this is pressure, 3 square inches. When you come back up here, you notice that area is measured in square inches, or inches squared like that. So this is your area. We have pressure, we have area, it's pretty simple for us to solve from here. So we will take 21 pounds per square inch, lb, per, remember the slash is per, inches squared, times 3 square inches. And I don't really want to write all of that out, so I'm just going to cheat. 3 times 21 is actually 63. If you would notice here, we are going to be multiplying pounds per square inches times square inches. And we need to take a look at this unit right here because this is a little strange. Whenever you have something divided by itself, the rule is, just like 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and x divided by x is equal to 1, not x. Anything divided by itself is equal to 1. Which means that inches squared divided by inches squared is equal to 1. Okay, so now when you're finished with your answer, you have 63 pounds. And that's really nice because when we look back up here, your unit for force is actually newtons or pounds. When your units work out like this algebraically and everything cancels out to the unit that you want for your answer, you have definitely done the calculation correctly. All right? I'm pretty sure you can do the rest of these on your own. Whee!